Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You have your laptop ready and Excel open. Start by choosing a blank workbook or a template that matches your goal. Once done, enable autosave if you use OneDrive or pick a local folder to avoid sync issues. Make a quick header row, column names that describe the data you'll enter. You're beginning with structure so your formulas work later. Save immediately with a clear file name. This prevents lost work and keeps versioning simple as you build the sheet. You now populate cells with consistent data and use keyboard navigation to speed entry. After entering a few rows, convert the range to a table so headers stay visible and filters are enabled. This makes sorting and structured formulas easier. Next, add formulas such as equals SUM, B2, B20, and equals average, C2, C20 to compute totals and averages. Use equals IF to handle conditional logic. Make sure relative versus absolute references are correct by testing one formula, then drag the fill handle to copy it. You're at the finish line. Review totals, format numbers, and add a chart to communicate results. Insert a recommended chart, then tweak axis labels and colors for clarity. Once done, scan formulas with Evaluate Formula and trace precedents to find errors. Make sure ranges are correct and no cells show #ref or hash value. If something breaks, restore an earlier version or check for accidental relative references. Save a backup and close confidently, knowing you can revisit version history if needed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.